Folks, just want to do a quick video and a review of the active disposal cleaner. I use this when needed for my the disposal over here, and right now it needs it. So what I do, I'm going to show you guys how I do it, is I pour boiling hot water first. So that's the first thing I need to do. So I'm going to show you that. All right, so check this out. So you see that? That's boiling, right? So I pour that while the drain is running. Run that. To the garbage disposal. So I do that first, then I turn it off, then I get two of these. There's two of these. So this is a 1 year supply, right? 1 year supply. And what I do is I get this out. Hold up, let me get my scissors. If you have, if you have gloves, use gloves. I'm okay without gloves because I already tried this. So, all right, now pour it. Drop it there. Two of them. Let's do this. There you go. Then what you do is drop some water and turn it. You can see it's gonna. See right now, it's gonna clean it. There you go. You're good to go.